Jared, how do you feel that you're getting a birthday vlog? Yeah, it's been recording this whole time.
Oh, my bad.
Never done one.
Okay, I've never done any type of vlog. You are gonna consent, and I'm gonna get it in writing.
I do not consent.
You consent. It's a birthday memory. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going strawberry picking with my sister and my grandma and her boyfriend, and it's also his birthday today. Happy birthday, Jared.
Thank you.
Here she comes.
See, she's good for the camera.
Who, Grammy? Yeah, because she's very like charismatic. God, she is taking her sweet time.
When I get my house and start renovating it.
Thomas!
I'm dead.
That is so funny. I don't know how to zoom in though, for real.
Thomas.
Sweet.
What's up, bud?
Yeah, you know I get car sick. No, you're good, Grammy. You. Grammy, we're doing a vlog.
Oh, okay. Good morning.
You look like you're ready to pick strawberries.
I am ready to pick strawberries.
We were talking about getting McDougal's first.
No, you gotta hold it up and then put your hand behind it. Like this influencers.
And I also got a McChicken.
And I got a biscuit and gravy. Our cup in the back.
my hat off.
It would be fun if we could be like models.
Yeah, it would.
You're just like your dad.
Yep.
You've always been just like your dad. And that was it. So now nobody has it unless you go over and watch the ones at the ball field.
Okay, I'm got good reflex.
Either
Kirby,
way.
how come you're not using your Coach bag? Didn't you get all the
Jared, you're looking scary in the back.
Yeah.
He was going.
I don't use them big pocketbooks. I used the red one some last year.
These little mini jam stars are so cute.
Pick the ones that don't have no green on them.
Oh, here's a good one.
Wait.
Actually, I want that one. What are you doing? Did she take it? Yeah, we're going to be working there. Huh? Yeah. But
Get them messed up.
yeah, I do.
They're like $100.
Oh, no, you don't want to do that. He's like, what are they called?
Oh yeah.
Farmer.
No,
Yes.
Look at my shoes. Okay, so update. Camera died, so now we're on to the phone camera. Honestly, it's got pretty good quality though. Yeah, looks good. Pull it. Put it in the bucket.
oh, there's an inch one.
Aw. Put on your hand. Aw.
You eating strawberries? Did it just do some caca on me? I think it pooted on me. Look at that. Caca. Caca.
Put on your hand.
It's not gonna be that much. So I took out like 80 bucks.
So today we are opening up our money jars and piggy banks because we have a beach trip coming up in a week and we gotta open our money. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's Grammy and Thomas, our other grandpa. Not the one I cooked for. Now we should like, are we gonna dump it on the carpet?
Went ahead and opened it. We're gonna dump it out.
Got a
I
20,
got money stuck to the bottom of the feet
bro.
because it's sticky on the inside.
When's the last time you emptied this out? Oh, another
I
money.
emptied it out like a week ago.
Oh dang, that's
There's
pretty
like
good.
80 bucks in there.
All right, Emily's gonna start counting up her money, and then we're gonna go to the bank. And then we'll guess below in the comments how much we have.
It ain't much.
I have this much. It's mostly silver change, but I put like pennies in there yesterday, so we'll see.
Wait, so how much?
Okay, so we're probably not gonna be able to video, but we'll say it at the end. Emily, tell them your total.
So I had $18 and what, 5 cents?
Yeah. So we've been swimming all day, and now we're setting up for Jared's party. And it's been a few years since he's had a proper birthday party, so he doesn't know, he hasn't seen any of these decorations yet. So I'm gonna see his reaction. Or we're gonna film his reaction. The girlfriend organized all this. And then we're gonna go get wings for dinner, and then we are going to, I don't know, have a movie night or something.
Surprise!
Surprise!
And a bubble machine.
Yay!
Bubbles make everyone happy.
I love you. Thank Love you.
Yes. Oh my goodness, look at your face. Sing it. Oh my goodness. Hey, squirrel outside.
Happy birthday, Luna. I mean,
Oh my gosh, there's Chucky behind you.
hey, what?
What the?
Hello. What you doing, little baby? Ah! Whoa.
Don't taste like him.
Oh, this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You crossed over.
Happy birthday, dear Jared. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Yay! Woo!
He was half.
That's the biggest.
I was,
Oh my god.
no, I thought you were half. He was going. He was going like that. I said, damn.
This is from your future sister-in-law.
Look.
That's me.
Ooh, that'd be a double one.
I have no doubt that this birthday will be your best yet.
Because your future wife planned it.
After all, practice makes perfect. Enjoy. Happy birthday, Jared. Your future sister-in-law, Haley.
That's me.
That's awesome. Y'all hooked it up, man. Oh, Lord. Give me another Modelo shirt.
Well, yes.
That's nice.
I wasn't planning for you to wear this to the party.
Sick, bro. I'm worried.
But, yeah.
The Modelo.
There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, you like cold beer?
Oh, yeah.
You didn't know what
The good
the Amber
cold beer.
Dos Equis was. We went out the other day. You need to get one.
Nah, I haven't tried that one
Right. That's where you get them.
Yeah, because it
yet.
is.
Happy birthday fiesta.
Ooh.
Possibly $10 million.
Hope your day is fantastico. Happy birthday, Fuki. Thank you for all you do for me. I pray that you have a wonderful birthday. Happy birthday once again. I love you so much. From Shanti and Emily.
What's everyone?
Shanti is, yeah.
Yeah, I'll go on it.
It's awesome.
Hold them up, Jared. Let me see what you got. Okay, okay.
These are nice.
Ooh.
I'm gonna try them on later. These look great.
There's swim trunks.
Yeah. Some
You got
Some
a lot
more
of swim trunks,
pants.
but you only have 2 pairs.
Yeah, you're right. I gotta.
Well, now you got like 4 or 5.
Yeah, I've been wearing the same like a pair or 2. So, thank you guys.
You're welcome.
More. They just plains.
That's a nice shirt. I like it.
Something light for the beach.
Yeah.
Hold it up.
He's been looking for that
Wait a
everywhere.
Hell yeah.
Ooh.
Look with it.
Hold it up.
Hold up.
It didn't move though.
Tuesday.
What's up, brother? All right.
Yeah, see, you can't do that. You'll get copyrighted.
Nuh-uh. Will you really?
Maybe.
What do you say? Yeah.
Happy birthday, Jared. That's it for the vlog today. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. Ah! Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm calling the police. Happy birthday, Jared. I hope you like your birthday vlog. Yeah, there we go. Oh, Lord. That's just for my sister. Don't look, ladies.